Good morning. Welcome to the CEDIA Expo 2024 in Denver, Colorado. My name is Brian Barr. I'm the president of CAT, California Audio Technology. My brother and I started CAT in 1990, so we're celebrating our 34th year, and we love meeting everybody at CEDIA because we got friends here that are more than half our lifetime. From the system integrators to the architects, the builders, all of our fellow manufacturing friends, designers. It's fun. And this year is certainly vibrant, alive, and to see all the type of things, future automation next door, Crestron, Planar, to see what CNC machines can do and technology, it really makes it fun for our end as well. So we do all the custom audio manufacturing out of exotic materials like aluminum, carbon fiber, titanium, MBX 105, which is a polyester acrylic alloy. So we can make any shape you could possibly imagine for the super yachts, private aircraft, recording studios, high-end homes, indoor, outdoor. It's all waterproof, salt-proof. So we do everything from 316L stainless steel to every single thing you'd build a Formula One car out of, and we can mill really exotic shapes that can disappear, they can seal, so it's faster, tighter, waterproof. Even our drivers, we make our own drivers, all out of aluminum, so they dissipate heat. So it's great working with the designers and system integrators and architects because we can make things smaller, and they're faster, and they're more accurate, more musical, but we have to have a lot of power, so we also build our own amplifiers. It's a lot of fun if you walk around the booth really quick. This is one of our new big products. We call this the Mavericks Soundwave loudspeaker, and we named it after the big wave Mavericks on the coast of California. It has a slightly smaller version as well called the Wave, which is after a big famous surfing wave in Newport. As you know, CAT is California Audio Technology, so we have a lot of fun with this. We even have some of our own CAT wind up on the top. Right here is some really, really beautiful artwork aluminum. So again, we can work with the designers and the system integrators and the architect, make beautiful shapes and sizes. We'll show you right over here. This was actually one of the side panels from a beautiful pair of speakers we made in Europe. Future Automation helped us pop it out of the ground. We built our own amplifiers, our own aluminum work, our own anodization work. Absolutely extraordinary. So again, my name is Brian Barr. I'm a co-founder and president of CAT, and our website is www.calaudiotech.com, which is CAL, like California, AUDIO as in audio, TECH, like technology. Once again, welcome to the CEDIA Expo 2024. Cheers.